Listening Practice, Audio CD 1, Track 61, Part A, Multiple Choice. Conversation A. A passenger takes a taxi to the airport.
Where would you like to go, ma'am?
Do you go to the airport?
Yeah, I do. Do you want to put your suitcase in the trunk?
No, thanks. I want to put it on the seat. And can you take the freeway? My flight leaves at 1:30.
Sure thing. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Oh no, it's already 1 o'clock. I'm going to miss my flight.
Don't worry, I know a shortcut.
That's great. I just want to get there in time for my flight.
Which terminal are you departing from, the domestic or the international? And which airline are you flying?
The international one. I think it's Terminal A, Trans World Air.
This is Terminal A. That'll be $42.15.
Here you are. Keep the change. And thanks. With great cab drivers like you, nothing can stop a traveler.